guys, it's your boy Brad KD once again. Today I am very happy, also not happy. Why? Because it's been a long time I uploaded videos on my YouTube channel, but then I don't have any excuse. I am really sorry. Please, you should forgive me. I am really sorry. Today what I have for you is very interesting, and I believe you're going to like it at the end of the day. Now you see, in life we read to be educated, we read to be eloquent, and we also read to apply the lessons we've gotten from the various books to our life. Today I have a very great inspirational message for you. Let's get back to the message I have for you. Once upon a time, there lived a very old man. Now, the title of my story, I've put in very simply: do not change your nature. You shouldn't change your nature so that you will get it. Once upon a time, there lived an old man. This particular old man was passing by a river. Now, on his way, he saw a very scorpion drowning in the river. This man thought of helping the scorpion in the river, so he extended his hand onto the scorpion. Now, upon bringing it out, the scorpion stung the man. The man quickly, with the effect of the pain, left the scorpion back in the river. The man was disturbed. Then he tried helping the scorpion once again. On the second time, he stung the man again, and the man let it go of the scorpion into the river once again. Now, on the third time, a young man was standing at the back. Then he called the man. Please excuse me. Don't you realize that you are always stung by this evil creature anytime you try to help it? Now listen to what the old man said to the man. He said, yes, I know that. The scorpion, his nature is to send, and my nature is to help. So there's no way that I'm going to allow this scorpion to die in this lonely river. So this is what the man did. He stood there for a short period of time, then thought of it once again. He went for a leaf, then extended the leaf to the river where the scorpion was. Then he brought the scorpion out from the river. So he saved the life of the scorpion. So afterwards, the man left. This is my short story. Now, why did I bring this short story to you? In life, there is no need for us to change our nature towards someone else's neighbor. That is the lesson that we are supposed to learn sometimes in our life. Now, when life presents you with 100 reasons to cry, show it that you have 1,000 reasons to smile. More importantly, always you should be the reason why someone will smile. Yes, you should always let your conscience be your guide in whatever you do. That young boy wanted to confuse the old man helping the scorpion, but he the young man that he knows what he's about and knows his nature. So there is no way that he's going to change his nature. Never. You shouldn't change your nature when someone hurts you, but rather you should take cautious. Yes, you should try and help a lot of people which comes on the way, even on the simplest ways. Even if you don't have it, the small that you have, you should try and help people. Because always givers never lack in this world. I believe this short video has been a lot to you, and I believe from here going, we are going to be a helping hand to a lot of people that you meet on the way. Share and make your loved ones aware. May God bless you. Ciao, ciao.